Hello, I am Dr. Senthil Murugan, Mechatronics Engineering Department, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Now I will discuss about the hydraulic pump. What is pump? Hydraulic gear pump is converting mechanical energy into hydraulic power, creating flow by trapping and displacing liquid as gear rotate, ideal for high pressure, consistent dosing in machinery like excavators or presses known for simple, robust design but requiring clean fluid for longevity. See, this is the external gear pump. It consists of this is the suction part and this one is the discharge part, gears and casing. Gears in an external gear pump are installed parallel to each other. A shaft is installed through the center axis of each gear and bearings hold each shaft in position. Both gears are classified as external gear because the gear teeth are located on the external surface of each gear. Typically, one gear is a driven gear, that is master or leader gear. The other is an ideal gear, that is follower. The ideal gear rotates only if the associated driven gear rotates. A casing with two penetrations surrounds the gears. These penetrations from the suction and discharge ports. So this is the suction port. Whenever the gear rotates, the partial vacuum is created, then the suction port will activate it. Then here, after rotating, the pressurized fluid will go outside through discharge port. So this is the gear pump working animation. See here, there is a gap between the two gear wheels. The vacuum is created. Then the fluid traveled around this gear wheel. That is, fluid is traveled in between the gear teeth and casing. Then due to that very low clearance, it will get pressurized. Then go from the discharge port. Oh, internal gear pump. Internal gear pumps operates on the same theory as external gear pumps, but internal gear pumps have one gear installed within another. Unlike the gears in an external gear pump, the two mating gears are not the same size. The smaller inner gear is called the rotor and the larger outer gear is called the idle. Internal gear pumps have gear teeth on the internal surface so that they can interact with the external gear tube. The two set of gears interlock with each other in the same manner as those in the external gear pump. This is the working of the internal gear pump. So this is the suction port, the fluid enter, and this is called as a crescent. In between gear tooth and crescent, the fluid get pressurized and the pressurized fluid get go outside, and also here also the fluids are get pressurized. So this is the working of internal gear pump. Gear pump applications. Gear pumps are well suited for high viscosity fluids with a low number of suspended solids. High viscosity fluids include substances such as paints and soaps, etc. This is the reference. Thank you.